Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making amala, hot fluffy no lumps amala. So let's get it started. So firstly you're going to add some water into a pot and bring it to a boil, and the next thing you're going to bring out your bowl and add your desired flour, that's your elubo, into a bowl. Then you add water to it and bring it to a paste. This is the quantity for my family. So you add water and make sure you dissolve all the lumps in the flour. As you can see, it was not sieved, so you make sure you stir well and dissolve all the lumps. Next you're going to go back to your pot and ensure the water is boiling. Then you reduce the water a little bit so you can create more space for your pastes of amala, elubo rather. So you bring it to a stir, you stir, and you continue stirring until this mix becomes thicker. So that's what I'm going to just do. Basically, don't be scared. It's on the lumps you're saying you see them no more since you're stirring them. So you just continue stirring, and after some time you get something like this. Then you still continue stirring, and to make it more fluffy you continue stirring your amala, as you can see. And if you have watched to this point, please you can just click the subscribe button and just give this video a like, and of course share too. So after you just continue stirring, and your amala will just appear right in front of you in your pot. And really there's no magical thing, trust me, there are no lumps in this amala. It is as smooth can be. So you just keep stirring, and now you can see it has solidified a bit. So now you add your water, the water you reduced earlier. You add it back into the pot because we are still going to cook this amala to make sure that it is well done. So that's what I'm just doing, adding more water to the amala. I'm going to cover it and bring it to a boil, and you reduce the fire a bit. As you can see, the amala is well cooked now. From the side you can see. Then you just keep stirring to make it smoother, and trust me, there are no lumps in this amala because it's looking like it, but by the time you're done stirring and by the time you're done smoothing it, you see that it's going to come out beautiful. Yay! Trust me guys, this amala was a bomb. I do this and within 10 minutes I'm done with my amala. As you can see, the amala is ready and it is smooth, so smooth. See the spoon going in, like no lumps, trust me, no lumps. And here you go, the amala is ready. I fed my amala with okra soup, and this okra soup is actually oilless. I think I'm going to do a video on that, so thank you guys.